It's a dream house. As soon as we saw this place, we were the first person we called.
Smooth transaction. We love it. It was an amazing experience. You have to go through the professional like Blayne.
I just want to introduce you to two amazing people, RV and Ellen Valdez. And last year they bought this really good-looking house.
Within a couple of days, we were already in escrow, and you walked us all the way through it. There was a little bit of a bidding war, and you made sure we won that. You knew exactly what to do every step of the way. We're just really lucky that we had you to walk us through the process, because it had been some 17 years since the last time we bought something. Blayne is our go-to guy for property within my family now.
Yeah, even my in-laws love Blayne. He did an amazing job. He helped us to buy a beautiful house, and he helped us to sell our old house too. And it was a smooth transaction. We love it. It was an amazing experience. You have to go through the professional like Blayne.
Thank you guys very much. I really appreciate that you guys use me, and I hope you enjoy this beautiful house for many years to come.